What is going on today, bro?
Skydive.
Skydive, first time? Right on. I think I just took your dad on skydive, and mom went also. Yeah, you're not gonna die, man. We skydive to live, not to die, all right?
Yes.
If you're not living on the edge, you were taking up space. All right, what made you decide to do this today?
I want to do it. Ready to do it.
All right. Well, one day I'm gonna be right in front of you, man. Peace out, have a good time, do your job, find your practice handles and all that, because you're gonna learn skydive correct.
Yep.
I'm gonna be the one teaching you, all right?
All right.
All right, Grant. Here it is. Classic March refund. You went with that guy. You went with that guy, and you defied all odds, and you survived anyway. What do you got to say, man?
Feel great.
I think you pulled your own parachute.
Yep.
Did you save your own life?
I saved it.
Nice job, man. Blue Skies here at Chattanooga Skydiving Company.
Right.
We make fun.
Yeah.